When they say practice makes perfect, they're not lying. Look at this one. You know how washed out. I mean, look washed out compared to that one. Yeah, definitely came out. Still got to get around the neckline real good. But it's better than this one. So I use spray on this one to try to hold the sublimation paper down. And on this one, I just tape the sublimation paper down to the actual, to the craft paper or to the butcher paper. Definitely came out slick, vibrant. On this one, I dialed the settings up as far as the brightness or whatnot, you know, in the printer settings. Look how vibrant that came out. Look at that tree, you know, and the shadow of the tree on the building. Yeah, definitely like it. Definitely liking it. So I'll have to do a video. My next video will be pretty much showing the settings on how I got it to look like this versus this. And this is a true representation of the colors that are on the in the program. And this, as you can see, it looks washed out compared to that. Look at that. If you're definitely liking this video so far, you know, just showing the difference in, you know, a little bit of time. Look at that, the LF48 versus that LF48. Look how rich those colors are. Oh yeah, so I'll definitely show the printing settings in the next video. But in the meanwhile, smash that like button if you're liking this video so far. Double smash it if you need to. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, where I do videos. As you can see, I do videos on sublimation, rhinestones, vinyl, all sorts of art, you know. So remember to hit the notification bell to be notified of when I drop a new video, because it's guaranteed to be exclusive.